Hi kids. Today we'll talk about the modal verb can. We use the verb can to express abilities. To say that we are good at doing something. I can play football. It means that I am good at playing football. Let's try now to conjugate the verb can. I can. You can. He can. She can. It can. We can. You can. They can. In the interrogative form, the verb can goes always before the subject. For example, can you dance? Yes, I can. Or, no, I can't. This is the right formula to make questions and answers with the modal verb can. We also use the modal verb can to ask for permission or to ask for a favor. Dave, can you play basketball?
Yes, I can.
Can you play the guitar?
Oh, no, I can't.
Frank, can you open the door?
Yes, I can.
Teacher Julia, can I go to the toilet?
Yes, you can.